this video we will be going over translations and transformations in geometry. We start off with translations where an isometry, or the figure, does not change shape or size. All it does is you slide or move a shape around without rotating or flipping it. It's exactly the same shape, just in a different place. As an example, alright, now we're going to unselect the translate triangle and show arrows. We're going to change the vector to 0, 0, so that we have the original triangle here. Now we will go ahead and change the vector 2 units to the right and 3 units down. Show arrows and show triangle. So now you can see that we have translated or moved the triangle ABC to the right 2 units and down 3 units. And as you notice with the arrows, each point has moved the exact same distance and direction. Alright, the next translation we're going to do, reset this to 0. Now we go from x comma y to x minus 4, y plus 1/2. So that's x minus 4 and y plus 1/2. Not quite there, but there we go. As you can see, it is moved to the left, or in the negative direction on x4, and up, or the positive direction in y, by 1/2. Alright, for the third thing, we're going to go ahead and reset this to normal. And we're going to make a use the vector tool to get a vector between 2 points. Make a polygon. Going to make a rectangle because that's one of the easier polygons to make. Now, we're going to translate the object by vector. And the polygon is made. Now if we move around the points of the original polygon, then the points on the second polygon change alongside it. Note, we can't move the new ones because they are dependent on the first set. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is rotation. Now rotation is a transformation in which a figure turns around a fixed center point. In other words, one point on the plane, the center of rotation, is fixed and everything else rotates around it. Now, to show this, we have here, and as you can see with the slider, it's rotating around the origin. But the picture itself does not change at all. Alright, finally we're going to make a polygon. We're going to do another thing on rotation. Alright. Now, we will rotate around a point. Let's go ahead and set point D as our midpoint. Object point, and let's rotate it 45 degrees counterclockwise. See? So, we can get our move tool. As you can see, the points have rotated 45 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. Now, the last thing we are going to cover is reflection. A reflection is a transformation in which a geometric figure is reflected across a line, creating a mirror image. That line is called the axis of reflection. So it's the image or shape as it would be seen in a mirror. Now, I already downloaded the picture and opened it up in Paint so I can show you reflections. First, I'll show you the horizontal reflection. Same picture, but left and right. By flipping vertical, sorry, I did horizontal again. Go flip vertical. Now it's the same picture as before, but now rotated both horizontally and vertically. So, and that is the basics of translations in geometry.